I'm so excited to do a measure, so let's go ahead and get started. But before we get started, make sure you subscribe down below, give a huge thumbs up. So yeah. Anyway, today before we get started, I do have a special guest on drum roll, please. It's my mother.
Hello.
Anyway, today what we're going to be doing is making tacos, because a person at my mum's work asked, oh yeah, can you do another video that is with tacos? So we're going to teach you guys. Now we have to start with the ingredients, of course. So the stuff that you will be needing as well as the ingredients is onion that is already chopped with a knife and a chopping board. We have flatbread as me and my brother's tacos because we like that. Then we have the shells. We have some salad. We have, of course, some cheese. We have sweet chili sauce. We have ketchup. It's best to have like these type of stuff. There's like no added sugar or salt. Tomatoes, butter, meat, avocado, and I will teach a trick with them. We're going to use paprika
Powder.
2 bowls, another bowl. We have this mix that is for guacamole. We have this powder thing that is for the meat and the whole thing. So yeah, you're also gonna be needing like this thingy, like to serve the food and mix the food. Then frying pan, of course, whatever you call it. So yeah, so let's get on. Guys, now we have to sweat down the onions with butter. So put the butter in the frying pan and we have to put the onions in it to make it gold. Gold onions, we're going to be rich. Okay, so now we just need to mix it all. Now golden as you can. Now we have to move on to the next thing. So yeah, guys, we put the meat and now we just break it into pieces. So yeah, we will catch up with you when we do the next thing. So guys, now we are moving on to the next ingredients. We're just gonna have a pinch of salt, and we're also gonna use some paprika
Powder.
of course. And then we're gonna use the fajita powder because we don't have the original taco powder. We're just gonna add a little of it. Now let's go ahead and mix it.
Already smelling yummy.
Perfect. So now let's move into the next video. So guys, now we're going to be doing the preparation. Now we needed cucumber, and my mom is just going to help me to take off the skin just because we don't really like it. And we will also cut the salad. So yeah, guys, we just chopped the tomatoes in half, and then we're gonna cut the salad. So yeah, cut it in half, as you guys can see. And then we also have to chop the part off that we're not gonna eat. Okay, so now we have to cut it like this. Like it's crazy town in here. We'll catch up with you when we do that guacamole. Now we have to cut the cucumber, and how we're gonna cut it is to these small pieces. So yeah, so just cut it in half. Then cut this in half again, so it'll be like a 3. And then you do that to the other one. And you cut it like that. See when I finish the other one. I'm going to be showing you the trick for an avocado. So you see that part? Yeah, you take it off. So as you see, I take it off. I didn't take the whole thing off, but if you guys can't see, it is green. So now my mom is going to help me to cut an avocado. And then
So you do this carefully around the, there's a stone in the middle. Then,
Voila.
perfect.
It's a perfect avocado.
So that's good. We're then using only the avocado meat for the guacamole, so I'm going to put it in there. Then, this is the trick, so you don't have a lot of accident. You just do this, and you get the stone out. And then you take that back in there. And voila, I think it's enough.
Now we're going to smash it up. Now we're going to be smashing it up. Now we're going to be putting the guacamole mix into the guacamole. And
This is a medium hot.
so you can get it extra hot, not hot or medium hot, and this is medium hot, so it will be hot but not too hot. So yeah, let's cut the bad one.
And then you just mix it together.
Mix. So we'll catch up with you guys. Everything is done. I'm going to start cheese. So yeah, now we have to grate the cheese, and because my brother actually can't live without cheese. Oh, cheese, my brother's cheese. Okay.
What type of cheese is it?
Cheddar.
Okay.
So now let's grate it.
Oh, perfect.
That is what families are for. So we will catch up with you when we have lots of cheese. So guys, now we're going to add the taco shells into the oven. We just put the oven on, and they just need to be in there for a little while. For the what's it called again?
Tortilla.
Tortilla bread, kind of. Don't leave it in the oven for too long, because then it will just get like crisp bread and it will be tricky to roll up. So let's go ahead and put it. I mean, just not in the oven, but I'm scared if I'm gonna burn myself. Okay, let's go. Oh, I'm horrible, like I said. Okay. So guys, now everything is done, and it's bon appetit. If you guys don't know what it means, it's French as in eat, okay? So we just put the tacos in the oven, and we just took this out, just left it for in a few seconds, and you see we have the salad, tomato, cucumber, guacamole, cheese, and you guys can choose if you want the sweet chili sauce or ketchup or whatever you want. Or some people actually have mayonnaise. Now I'm gonna be starting how to do a taco. So what I like to start with is the meat. Then some of the salad, then cucumber, of course, then to finish it off, of course, I need some ketchup. I'm showing you guys how to wrap a taco. Well, so yeah, Bye guys, I hope you enjoyed my video, and see you next time, and make sure you do come and watch it do next.